Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you a website to create surveys. So this is a popular website for creating survey. It's called surveymonkey.com. So here you can create online surveys and forms for your business, or if it is for your personal use also. You can get better insights with expert templates. There is helpful AI assistant there, and you can get convenient way to reach more people. So it has been used by 260,000 organizations worldwide. So they have all-in-one platform for surveys, forms, and market research. So even if it is an MBA form for your school project, you can use that to collect responses. So they have great customer experiences. So you can go from insight to action in record time with their templates that they have. So they have a lot of templates. So you can build better surveys faster with AI features. So you can choose wide variety of plans that is available. What is the basic plan that has 10 questions, and you can collect up to 24 responses per survey. Or if you go with the individual advantage plan, you can collect up to 15,000 responses per year. Or you could go with the team advantage plan where per user per month, if you have that account, you can collect 50,000 responses per year. So there are various templates to choose from. So this is post purchase survey template. This is employment and engagement survey template. So if you want to create any survey, you can come and create it. You can create a login here after logging with your Google account. Then I have said, okay, so let me not sign up for the paid account. I'll just use the free account to show you. Now it's asking me, do you want to start from scratch using a quick template built with AI? So type a short prompt. AI will create a tailored survey just for you. So I'll say build a survey. Okay, so here I'm saying create custom surveys and forms in second. Just describe your survey goals and let build with AI to do the rest. Okay, so is asking me to build that. Tell us what you want to learn. So this is the sample prompt. We need a survey for employee exit interviews. Okay, so if I want to create from scratch, I can say that. Okay, so create a survey for a real estate client for whom you have shown 10 retail office spaces. Ask for their feedback for the 10 options in terms of pricing, aesthetics, location, and other relevant attributes for real estate and retail. Make it ratings. 0 to 5 stars. Okay, let's put this prompt and see. So writing questions using this. So they have also integrated AI into this. That's why it is grading that based on a prompt. So I have said that create a survey for a real estate client for whom you have shown 10 retail options. Okay, so this looks great. Retail office space service feedback. How would you rate the pricing of retail office space 1? How would you rate the aesthetic of retail office space 1? How would you rate the overall suitability of retail office space 1? How would you rate the pricing of retail office? How would you rate the aesthetics of retail office space 2? So it has created based on that. So how would you rate the aesthetic of retail space office 3? So it has done that using this form. So which is quite good. So like this question, upgrade the plan to keep it is what it says. So if you want to create it, you can create using AI the survey. Now if I want to continue, it will ask me to pay for it because I'm using a AI feature, which is a paid feature within that. Okay, so now if you look at it, these are the various things. So if I look at the preview survey of it, I can see the questions. See, this is how I have given, right? So this is, so they just mentioned three options. So similarly, I can do that with the other options also. So if I want employee engagement survey for exiting employees, let's see. You need a survey for employee exit review. The survey should assess the department employee feels about various aspects of the company culture. So let's see how does it build employment exit survey. So the prompt has been put for that. So there is a prompt that was already existing. So I have inserted it. So now you see what is your level within the company, which department did you work with, how do you rate your overall experience with your team. So it has thought through all those questions and put it across. So which is great for creating a survey. You don't have to think through the questions that you need to put to create a survey. So I have hope that this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.